Here are 50 sentences using I am not sure if. These sentences show how I am not sure if can express doubt or uncertainty about various situations. 1. I am not sure if I can make it to the meeting on time. 2. I am not sure if this plan will work. 3. I am not sure if he likes the gift I gave him. 4. I am not sure if she understands the instructions. 5. I am not sure if they are coming to the party. 6. I am not sure if I locked the door before leaving. 7. I am not sure if I should call him now. 8. I am not sure if I want to go out tonight. 9. I am not sure if it's going to rain today. 10. I am not sure if this is the right choice. 11. I am not sure if we have enough time to finish this. 12. I am not sure if I brought my wallet. 13. I am not sure if I'm ready for this challenge. 14. I am not sure if I'll pass the exam. 15. I am not sure if I can trust him completely. 16. I am not sure if this shirt matches my pants. 17. I am not sure if we need more chairs for the event. 18. I am not sure if the train will arrive on time. 19. I am not sure if she will accept my apology. 20. I am not sure if I should take this job offer. 21. I am not sure if this recipe needs more salt. 22. I am not sure if I've met her before. 23. I am not sure if the Wi-Fi is working properly. 24. I am not sure if I saved the file on my computer. 25. I am not sure if I have enough money for this purchase. 26. I am not sure if I can handle the pressure. 27. I am not sure if my phone battery will last all day. 28. I am not sure if I should stay or leave. 29. I am not sure if we need to buy more groceries. 30. I am not sure if I sent the email to the correct address. 31. I am not sure if I remember his name correctly. 32. I am not sure if this is the right train to take. 33. I am not sure if she noticed me waving at her. 34. I am not sure if he's telling the truth. 35. I am not sure if we should order dessert. 36. I am not sure if my presentation will impress the audience. 37. I am not sure if the store is still open. 38. I am not sure if I have the courage to speak up. 39. I am not sure if we'll have enough food for everyone. 40. I am not sure if I'm making the right decision. 41. I am not sure if the car has enough fuel. 42. I am not sure if I'll have time to finish this project. 43. I am not sure if the weather will clear up later. 44. I am not sure if he'll reply to my message. 45. I am not sure if the movie is worth watching. 46. I am not sure if I should tell her the truth. 47. I am not sure if we'll get tickets for the concert. 48. I am not sure if this idea will be accepted. 49. I am not sure if the kids finished their homework. 50. I am not sure if I should invest in this opportunity.